Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this week's try-on haul, which today we are doing Madewell. So I have shopped at Madewell and loved Madewell for a very long time. They have some really high quality basics, but they have some fun things that they do every year. I love that they just have some really great basics. My favorite white t-shirts, I actually own them in white, gray, and black, are from Madewell. They're the Whisper Tees. If you've not tried them, they're the best. I'm also gonna talk about my favorite bag, which I've had for maybe 4 years now from Madewell, that I absolutely love, and you guys see in so many of my different try-on hauls as well. Again, from Madewell, amazing quality pieces. I've actually never purchased denim or anything like that from Madewell, so we got some cool pieces. As always, let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next, what brand you want to see next. I'm trying to do a good variety of different brands to show you what's new for spring and summer, and if you like any of the pieces, all the links will be down below for you guys, as well as sizing. As always, I find these videos just really fun to kind of push myself to style different outfits with the pieces that I pick up. I don't keep everything, so let me know in the comments down below what should stay, what should go. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump on in. So let's start with these sneakers. When I saw these, I was like, these are so freaking cute. They remind me of a very preppy, like, Air Force One sort of vibe with the little poked holes in the top. I don't know, they're just really springy and summery with all these colors. They're really pretty. They also have like this sort of like recycled look. I don't know if they are recycled like rubber look to the bottom of them. I don't love this initial part here. I wish you could change it, but you can't. I think it's Madewell. Yeah, that's like the brand of it, and I get that, that's fine. I wish I could say my name on it, but whatever. These are really cute. The suede, they're pricey, they're really squishy. They're not super flexible though, keep that in mind. Maybe you're used to shoes that are like that, but I'm used to shoes that have a lot more flex to them. So I'm still on the fence on whether to keep these or not, so let me know in the comments. I do think the colors are so beautiful, and I don't own a pair of shoes that are like this. Scott thinks they're super cute as well. So we'll see. The details, obviously the quality is super nice. It matches the price of the shoe, I will say that. And I just love all the little pink details on it. They're cute. They're so cute. So that is the first piece that I picked up. Madewell has shoes of different brands as well. I know they carry that really famous, I think it's called Vijay or something like that. Vijay. I don't know, that one. You know what I'm talking about. They carry those sneakers as well as New Balance and things like that. So it's a really great place to check out sneakers, trendy sneakers. They got you covered. Talking about basics, talking about staples, high quality, this linen shirt. I think I've had my eye on this in the past, and I want to say they were sold out in my size in the store. So I was really excited to get this. I love button-ups. Story of my life. I love them. I'm wearing one now, especially short sleeve ones to transition into the summer. I just feel like they're so cute. They're just so perfect. I don't know. I love, this one's a little bit different. It's got these like kind of cream buttons on it. It does have a little bit of pleating in the back, which is really pretty. It's very, very, very oversized. I got this in a small, so if you don't want it this big and boxy, go ahead and size down. Madewell, I would say overall, is a very like oversized brand situation, which I honestly feel like oversized kind of feels a little bit more like luxury and like, I don't know. So when in doubt, always size up if you're going into a cheap brand, but if you're going into a really nice brand, when in doubt, size down. I don't know, it doesn't make sense, but it makes sense if you know. This is just a really pretty linen shirt. You can literally style this a million different ways. I showed you with khakis, I showed you with shorts, I showed you with jeans. You cannot go wrong with a basic white linen button down. I have tons of long sleeve ones. I actually, believe it or not, yes I do. Do I? No, I don't have a short sleeve basic white linen button down. She's staying. Okay, this is another fun one. Okay, so let's say you already have a white linen button down, but you're looking for something cool. This just gives me like my babysitter. My babysitter used, vibes of my babysitter. My babysitter used to teach me how to cross stitch when I was a kid. You could totally cross stitch this yourself if you know how. It's so pretty, I love it. It is actually legit cross stitched into their really pretty fabric. The cut on this is very wide and very unusual. in the sense that it flares out more at the bottom. It's almost like a bell like shaped design. It's really pretty, but very, very boxy. So if you're concerned with things being too boxy, this might not be the top for you. But overall, I love that look, especially with shorts or some darker denim. I think this is a really pretty top. You really can't dress this up too much. I'd say it's more of a casual top, but it's super cute. And by dress up, I mean like night out to dinner. This is a casual like daytime top, which is super, super, super sweet. I love the cross stitching. It just gives such a, I don't know, feminine vibe with the flowers. So cute. All right, I grabbed this little striped tee, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of not in love with this. I do like the colors of it, which is why I grabbed it, because I don't really own anything in this color scheme. I love striped shirts and I love ribbed material like this. I'm happy that it's like coming back. It's, I feel like, super flattering. The thing I didn't love about this is the cut of the sleeve. I prefer not having like a cap sleeve, but this is not even that. It's like actually is shorter up on top, which I feel like can make my arms look bigger. I don't know, it's just not my most flattering cut of t-shirt for my preference, but I got this in a medium because I knew it was gonna be a little bit tighter. So I do like the way it fits, I just don't love the sleeve. But yeah, overall, I think the sleeve length is, or the sleeve, the way it hits me is a little awkward for me, so I'm going to probably pass on this, but I do love the color. It's really cute. You can style that a bunch of different ways. Obviously, it's a basic, but I love the stripes. This piece, y'all, I have been wanting to get more blazers into my life, but more like linen-y casual blazers, and not like super structure blazers. I know blazers are coming back. They always come back. I used to have so many when I was like in college. It was like the thing. I used to wear them like going out at night. That's a thing, you know? Trends always come back. So I read online that this runs very, very big. So I got an extra, extra small and it fits perfectly. It is this like gingham, or is this like, I don't know, I think it's gingham print that looks like a tablecloth or a picnic table. So beautiful. It's a, like not a collared look. It's like a flat lay collar. No like, you know, lapel things. No shoulder pads, which I love. This just lays so nicely. It's basically like what I think of as like a mix between like a cardigan sweater or a cardigan blazer, what I'm getting at. I love this. It is the most beautiful blue color. I thought it was gonna be actually more green than it is, and it's showing up a little greeny on camera, maybe not. But I love this. It's lightweight, it's pricey, but the quality is really nice, and I feel like you can dress that up with jeans, but you can also wear it super casual with shorts. But this would be a good workwear piece, I think. Yeah, I love it. And like I said, this isn't new, but I wanted to highlight these if you've never tried these out from Madewell and you're placing a Madewell order, the Whisper tees. I have black, white, and gray, and I have them in small and medium and large. I size up in them. I just like them to be a little like looser. I don't know, I just like that fit of them. They do have like this round scalloped edge at the bottom, so it kind of like circles down, but I tuck mine in anyway, so I never see that, but it's a feminine touch. But I absolutely love these shirts. I've had these, I probably need to honestly get some new ones. I've had these ones for so many years, you guys. I love them. They're classic. They just fit really nicely. And whenever I'm like, I don't know what I want to wear, or I'm running out the door, a Madewell shirt and a pair of jeans, and you're good to go. Okay, so I had shown in, I think, my recent H&M haul that I was trying to find a pair of like wide leg jeans that kind of like cropped, that are like flare out a little bit at the bottom. So I saw these, and I have never purchased Madewell jeans. They're pricey. They're pricey, but these are cute. You'll have to let me know. What do you think? So these are the perfect vintage wide leg crop jean with magic pockets, which I don't know what the heck magic pockets mean, but nonetheless, what I do think is really cool, they are a fair trade factory made, which I will have to look more into that because I don't exactly know what that means. I got these in my true size, which is a 26, and I think they fit really well. They have minimal branding with just the little M back here and the little whatchamacallit here with Madewell on it. I love the wash of these. It's like a darker wash. I think these fit really, really nicely. I'm still on the fence. Are they my perfect one? I almost wanted them to have a raw hem, which I could totally make happen, but let me know. What do you think? Do you think there's still a perfect pair of wide leg jeans out there for me, or do you think I should settle for these ones? They're nice. I love the copper detailing on them. You can style these a million different ways. So cute. Obviously, really good quality. They're a bit stretchy, but nothing like overly stretchy. Like I feel like they're gonna get big throughout the day. And they fit very, very nice. I would say they fit a little bit large, but they're very comfortable, so I like them. I grabbed this. I love on my little Madewell, I forgot what the actual name of this is, but it'll be linked below, crossbody bag, whatever. I like to tie little scarves on them, and I've been having like a blue bandana that I got from Abercrombie forever ago on there. And then I wanted to have something more like springy, so this orange or reddish thing, it says We Are Magique. I guess Magique is a, I wanna say it's like a hotel, but I don't know. It has little grapes on it. I just thought it was a really fun way to add some pizzazz to your little purse. So I love scarves for that, and I love how like silky and soft this is. So it's super cute, and just a different way to kind of make a regular bag look a little bit more different, especially because I wear mine literally all the time. I love that bag, my favorite. Okay, this I wanted to love. Y'all, I didn't film me trying to put it on over my butt, but like it wouldn't, I had to like struggle to get it up because I grabbed this in an extra small, and I really like didn't think that was gonna be that big of a deal, but clearly it freaking is. But I don't even know if a small would be different on me, because this part is just not meant to like go over your shoulders. Like there's no zipper to get in and out of here. There's no like other entrance situation. It's so cute. It is so soft. I would live in this. I wanted to love this so freaking much, but it didn't work out for me. I couldn't even get it over my, like I got it over my boobs, but I couldn't get it over my shoulders. So I'm super sad about this. When I go to the store to make some returns and exchanges, I'm gonna see if they have this in a size small, and I'm gonna try it and see, because it's like literally the most plushest, softest, fluffiest, luxurious, softest, blah, 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 all the things, jumpsuit, but it just did not fit over my shoulders. I don't know how people do it. I don't know how that wasn't a review. I always read the reviews. But anyhow, I loved this. It just sadly didn't work out for me. So if you are interested in it, get it up a size or go true to size. Hopefully true to size would fit better, but I went down to an extra small because people said it ran large, I wanna say, or I just saw that it ran large. I really pay attention to the size that the model is wearing and her measurements to kind of figure out what size I'm gonna be. So that was a fail, unfortunately. I really wanted to love that. But what was not a fail were my most favorite denim jeans to date. Okay, I'm always trying to find denim jeans. I have so many of them, and I try and order a bunch of different ones to see if I'm gonna find my next true love. And these are it, you guys. These are so freaking good. These run really big. I got an extra small, or I got a 25, and they're still a little bit big, but so comfortable that I'm keeping them. The relaxed mid-length denim short. These are perfect. These are so perfect. I am like, they're the perfect amount of like width in the leg without being like too big and baggy in the butt area. They've got some ripping and distressing on them, which I love. They are just perfect. These are so perfect. They have zero branding. Oh, I lied. They have a little M back here, but that's not a big deal. These are absolutely my most favorite denim shorts that I've had in forever. They're just so relaxed, so comfortable. I could wear these all day long. And yes, I had no idea. I've heard people talk about Madewell shorts, but I've just never tried them. So happy I did. And if you're looking for a good pair of denim shorts, check those out. They're pricey, but they are good. Okay, this little guy, I liked it, but honestly, I feel like it's a little sheer. I loved the details of it. It's called like the window pane Peter Pan shirt. I don't know, I love the little collar, and I love these little cap sleeve, poofy sleeve details. So cute, so versatile. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's cute. I just don't know if like I need it. I absolutely like must keep it in my collection, but it is really cute, and I did enjoy styling it in many different ways. I feel like if I was in a workwear like environment, I would probably keep this because I do feel like it's a good basic. So without being like basic, you know? So anyways, those are all the pieces that I picked up from Madewell. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me style them in many different ways to see if it is something that would fit into my wardrobe, and I let you guys know what will and what won't. If you want to see more of these, let me know. Let me know different brands you want to see. If you want me to continue Madewell in that rotation, let me know. I love trying new brands. I love pushing myself to style things still very much my way, but style some different things that I wouldn't necessarily reach out and pick. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like always, everything's linked down below for ease of shopping. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.